Dad series is where my brother makes plays for me and I have to pick them up. Whoever I get, I react to it. So let's do this. So here's a piece of papers. Now we're gonna pick them up from whatever place we get. I'll react to it. Okay, let's do this. So the first thing I'm gonna pick is the middle one. That's the middle one. I wanna pick the middle one. Wow, I got Drogba. Out of all the players I could have got, let's see who the other players were. Okay, let's see who this. It was Ronaldo. I could have had Ronaldo. Wow, and it was Messi. See you next time. I'm so stupid. I could have had Messi and Ronaldo. Instead, I have to buy Drogba.